Welcome to Elise's Life Journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. Hi everyone, we're making chicken Alfredo. So how are we going to do this? We're going to bake it. So first you need sea salt, black pepper, a tablespoon of parsley, and 3/4 cups of Parmesan cheese. You'll need whole milk, which is 2 cups. And you need heavy cream, which is 1 cup. You'll need 2 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese, 3 tablespoons of butter, 1 teaspoon of garlic, 12-ounce penne pasta. Add salt in it. Then you'll need 3 cups of diced chicken, and then you need 2 tablespoons of flour. So now you just need to put like a teaspoon of salt in your pot that you're gonna boil your pasta in. So when you boil it, you make sure you boil it until it's nice and soft. So you see right there, you're just boiling the noodles, penne pasta, till it gets nice and hot with salt. Next, we move on to shredding the mozzarella cheese. So we need at least, I think, 2 cups. So, yep, 2 cups of mozzarella cheese, shredded. So you'll see in this video this black+decker air fryer oven, my diamond table knives, my Martha Stewart cooking set, and Good Cook meat thermometer. Alright, 2 cups of mozzarella shredded cheese. On to the next thing. So my diamond table knife, kitchen set. You know I love these. This is my mincing knife. So I'm gonna go ahead and mince some garlic. See how this is the bulb. Got to peel all the layers off, and then so you keep mincing the garlic. You see right there, I'm just peeling it. You just keep mincing it. And yeah, it just had to happen just enough for 1 tablespoon. Ta-da! A tablespoon of garlic. Woohoo! Alright, now it's time to saute or cook the chicken breasts. So again, I'm using my favorite oil, avocado oil. Y'all see? This is the chicken fajitas. So chicken fajitas, chicken breast. So I'm just doing about probably, I think 2 cups. 2 cups of chicken fajitas. No, 3 cups, I'm sorry. 3 cups. And I went back and got some more chicken fajitas, so I did 3 really. So I have my Good Cook Essential Meat Thermometer. It measures for pork, beef, lamb, poultry, and it's really good. Let you know it's rare, medium rare, or well done, or it needs to be cooked longer. So like I do with all my meats, I'll make sure I cook them well, and then I'll go back and check it with the meat thermometer. So as you know, I got this video fast forwarding because it really it took longer than 11 minutes to cook this whole thing, but I just sped it up for you guys. Look, see, good cook. It's the meat thermometer. Use this for grilling or whatever. So you see the temperature rising. It's nice. It's really hot. So I actually should have took it out the pot, but I already knew it was cooked, so it's good. And now I'm just air frying the chicken because everything that's in the air fryer makes it taste delicious and crispy. And y'all, it's about that time. It's about that time to measure this all-purpose flour. Remember, we said 2 tablespoons of flour, so that was what we do. And then time for the Parmesan cheese. So that'll be about 3/4 cups of Parmesan cheese. But I decided, because I couldn't find my 3/4 cup, I did it in tablespoons. I don't know why, but anyway, it's really 3/4 cups of Parmesan cheese. So now we're doing 2 cups of whole milk, and later I'm going to do 1 cup of heavy cream, but I didn't have like any containers to put the milk in, the heavy cream in, so we're just going to do the heavy cream later on the stove. And y'all, I know y'all hear me saying we, and I do mean we, because you and I are on this journey together. Yes, making this chicken Alfredo. Now it's time to bust out this stick of butter. Now we're going to use 3 tablespoons of butter and just melt it. Let it melt in that pan. And y'all, it smells so good. Oh yeah, nice and buttery. So now I'm just putting in that garlic that we minced earlier, and we're just sauteing it in that butter. Now I'm just going to switch it to a bigger pot because that pan was not going to be enough to hold all the ingredients content in there. So just going to whisk it in. See that? That's just nothing but garlic and butter. Now I already put the flour in, even though you didn't see it. Now see, you just pour in that milk that we measured earlier, and that 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. I'm just gonna whisk that some more. Make sure all that heavy whipping cream is out. Now I'm just gonna do a little bit of the cheese, not a whole lot now, so we're measuring about a 1/2 cup of mozzarella shredded cheese and Parmesan cheese, a 1/2 cup. So make sure we're putting that in there. Then we got to save the rest of the cheese for later to put on top of the pasta so we can bake it. Add pepper, black pepper, and then you also add some more salt, which I just did, but you couldn't see the bottle, but I added salt, maybe 2 dashes of salt. I'm whisking it some more. So I covered it and let it simmer for a while, because I was trying to get it to the cheese to melt, and then for it to thicken up a little bit. because it was too liquidy, so I had to turn the eye off and cool it down. So now I already took the chicken out and mixed the chicken with the pasta noodles, because I already drained the pasta noodles, which you didn't see, but I drained the pasta noodles and then I mixed the chicken in with the pasta noodles. So now to the fun part. I'm going to pour this mixture in with the chicken and pasta noodles. Just dump it right there. My Martha Stewart cooking pot set, as you see. I had so much bad aim when it came to that black pepper shaker. Got all that black pepper on the stove, but it's okay. We're gonna clean it off. We're gonna mix it real good. Okay, time to put it in the pan so we can bake it. Yes, this is my favorite part. Just add a lot of shredded cheese on top. Oh yeah, shred it good. Remember to preheat that oven for 375 degrees, and then we're going to put that in the oven to bake for about 20 minutes. So when you take out the oven, you just sprinkle about a tablespoon of parsley all over the top of your chicken Alfredo, and it's all done. I also sprinkled more Parmesan cheese on top to make it extra cheesy tasting, so I like that as well. So I did more parsley and Parmesan cheese, but here's the finished product. It's so delicious, so yummy, so cheesy. It was so delicious. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. I'm doing a $25 Amazon gift card giveaway once I reach 280 subscribers, because unfortunately I didn't make my prior goal of 250 subscribers because I kept losing them before I did the live stream. So the details are going to be below of how to do that gift card giveaway, how to enter in. And yes, I really do have this Amazon gift card that I've been holding for about 3 months now, and I'm ready to give it to a lucky winner on the live stream.